Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion this has. And the given number is 36 upon 100. So guys, let us see how we can write this given equation in the form of a decimal form, and we can note down what type of decimal expansion this has. Here the question has given us this number 36 upon 100, and what we need to do, we need to do two things. One is we need to convert this number into the decimal form. We need to convert this one into decimal form. Convert to decimal form. And the other thing is that we need to find out what kind of decimal expansion this is. What kind of decimal expansion that we got. What kind of decimal expansion that we got. So guys, we are going to do two things here. One is we are going to convert it into a decimal form. And then we need to find out, or we need to say what kind of decimal expansion that we got. Now let us divide 36 with 100 in our traditional way. So 36 divided by 100, that means 100 is the divisor and 36 is the dividend. So 36 is smaller than 100, it cannot be divisible. Now let me add a 0 and dot here so that I can add 0 to 36. Now we got 360. So 100 3s are 300. 100 3s are 300. Now after subtracting, what we are getting 60. Similarly, 60 is not divisible by 100, so now I can add one more 0 and I can say here 6. 100 6s are 600. So guys, we could see that we got 0 as the remainder. So our division ends here. We got 0 as the remainder, so our division ends here. Similarly, our quotient is 0.36. Our quotient is, what is our quotient? Our quotient is 0.36. This is nothing but this is our decimal expansion. The quotient is our decimal expansion. So two things we got. We got the decimal expansion as 0.36 and the remainder is 0. That means our dividend is completely divisible by 100 at this point. So we can write our answer, we can write our concluding answer saying that 36 upon 100 is equal to 0.36. So guys, what we observe is we got a remainder as 0. So we can say that 0.36 is a terminating decimal expansion. So we can say that 0.36 as this is a terminating decimal expansion. So guys, why it is terminating? Because it completely got divisible and we got the remainder as 0. So for that reason we are saying that it is a terminating decimal expansion. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple, very straightforward. You people can do it easily. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.